Hey there, whether you're a complete newcomer to trading or an experienced trader who simply wants to increase your knowledge and enhance your returns, this YouTube channel is designed to help. Plus, maybe you'll even be slightly entertained along the way too. Now, so many people out there don't really understand the utility and the number of ways that options can be used. From generating consistent income, speculating on price movements, hedging risk on spot, futures, or stock positions. They are the Lego blocks of the financial world. Now, we regularly take our viewers on these little journeys where we explore these avenues and show you exactly how and why we're using them in all these various ways. And we do our best to simplify things as much as we can with no pretentious or condescending financial jargon that you need a PhD to decipher. We do our best to give practical, real world examples so that you can easily transpose much of this information into your own tool set, helping you enhance your bottom line. My partner Richard and I have been trading for nearly 25 years each, and our ultimate goal is to get you thinking, trading, and profiting like a professional fund trader. Now, there's a wide range of videos and topics that we cover. And for those who want more, please feel free to check out our website, where you'll find unique options trading education, books, courses, interactive real-time trade alerts, weekly community calls, right through to one-on-one coaching and mentoring. Tons of unique stuff that you probably won't find anywhere else. So check out the videos below. Reach out if you have any questions. And of course, be sure to like and subscribe if you like and appreciate what we do.